Alrighty, what you have to do is remove as many of these you can on this side and this side. And then you get this piece. It has a front and back. The front will have wording on it, fruit, vegetable. And now we're getting a mosquito to go inside my refrigerator. Oh well. Go away, mosquito. Oh well. We're going to go sideways. Okay? When you go sideways, you see it's almost in, as is, and I'm going to push it in. You need a slight, not too much, just a slight force to get it in. This part is in. Now that it's in, go back and forth. It will fall in its groove. Now that it fell in its groove, you need to get the glass. The glass is removable, and you put the back part in. The glass is much easier to put in. Again, you have to slant it sideways to get it in, okay? And you move the glass in. You put the back part in first, then the front part falls in. No, correction. We're going to do the front first and then the back. So the front goes in and the front slides in forward. So front goes in first, the back goes in next. And we're done. That's all. Took me forever to figure it out, but I hope it will help somebody.